In today's world, 360 or spherical video is gaining ground. More and more of these types of video are also appearing on YouTube. With PD, it is very easy to convert simple video format to 360 video. Firstly, put our video footage onto the timeline. The magic of the conversion happens when I change the video aspect ratio with this control on the right side. Select the option what is labeled with the number 360. At this time, a little icon will appear on the left side of the speaker icon. If we activate this 360-degree view in the preview window, we can see what our video will look like. You can see that a small black gap was created during the assembly. To solve this, turn off the 360-degree view. Change the zoom on the preview window to 50%. The video clip what I'm using now doesn't fill out the entire viewport. Two black bars appear at the edges of this view. Drag the clip boundaries so the video clip fills the entire view. Then switch back to spherical preview. The black gap is gone. At the end, open the Produce module. As you can see, a new tab has appeared up here labeled with 360-degree video. Change the output video quality if you wish or the destination folder. Hit start to generate the 360 video file. I uploaded the 360 video footage to YouTube. You can watch it using VR glass also. Enjoy for creating 360-degree video files. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next time. Bye.